Welcome to Session 22, Data Displays and Summary Statistics. Statistics summarizes data without erasing context. Measures of center answer different questions, range describes spread, and graphs can support or distort conclusions depending on scale. A defensible interpretation identifies both the calculation and what it represents. By the end, you will be able to do the following: calculate and interpret mean, median, mode, and range. Find missing values and combined means. Read bar charts, line graphs, and tables. 3 ideas organize the lesson. First, the mean redistributes the total equally across all values. The median is the ordered middle and resists extreme values. Combined means must be weighted by each group's size. Work example 1. Find the mean of 6, 8, 9, 12, and 15. Their total is 50 across 5 values. 50 divided by 5 is a mean of 10. Check. 5 equal groups of 10 reconstruct the total 50. Worked example 2. For 6 ordered values, the median is the average of the 2 middle observations. 9 plus 12 divided by 2 is 10.5. Check. 3 values lie on each side of the middle pair. Worked example 3. Group A has 20 values with mean 70, and Group B has 30 values with mean 80. Reconstruct their totals, add, and divide by 50. The combined mean is 76. Check. The result is closer to 80 because the second group is larger. Watch for this common error. Averaging 2 group means without considering different group sizes. Correction. Convert each mean back to a total and divide by the combined count. Use this routine. Name the target and units. Choose a relationship. Calculate with clear steps, then estimate and verify. Choose the statistic or graph feature that matches the question, calculate with totals and counts, and interpret its meaning and limitations. For more lessons and focused practice, visit bridge2exam.com.